Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. I started a video series sharing my absolute favorite YouTube channels. These are the ones where I watch every video as soon as I possibly can. Why? Because these guys are fun, they're inspirational, they're passionate, and extremely talented. The next one in my series is from right here in Canada, and it's another droning video channel. Dave Stredulinsky has the good fortune to live in one of the most picturesque parts of Atlantic Canada, Nova Scotia. Dave flies a Mavic 2 Pro drone and takes amazing footage of the ocean, the cliffs, and various inlets and streams around this lovely province in all 4 seasons. One of my favorite videos is his flyover of a huge field of blueberries turned an incredible red color in the autumn. But Dave doesn't just drone and publish his spectacular camera work. He takes the time to carefully edit it and synchronize his scenes to beautiful music that he selects for each piece. Inspiring and lovely to watch and listen to. If you need 3 or 4 minutes to relax and forget your troubles, tune into Dave Stredulinsky's channel and enjoy. I've left a link in the end cards of this video and in the description below. Stay tuned for the next in my series of my favorite YouTube channels. Thanks for watching.